Hi, my name is James. I'm with J&C Home Repair. Today we're going to show you how to unclog a bathtub without using Drain-O. Okay, you're going to need a few tools. First thing you're going to need a pair of channel locks. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. You're going to need some plumber's putty, and that'll get you going. Okay, first thing you want to do is take your channel locks, remove this cover nut out of the pop-up assembly here. Sometimes you have to actually hold it in place while you loosen this up, or it'll just sit there and spin. Once you get it loose, get that out of your way. You're going to need your flathead screwdriver. You stick that down in there, turn it to the left to loosen it. You turn it left. Pull your pop-up assembly out. Get that out of your way. What you're left now with is a drain assembly. Okay, there's actually two ways that you can remove this. You can use it's a specialty tool called a spanner wrench that actually fits down in there, and you actually twist this thing out. It's kind of similar to a sink drain. You turn it to the left to loosen it, to pull it out, or you can even use a pair of channel locks. You can just stick your handles down in there, get them in there, and you can actually. It may take some effort, and you might need to use another pair of channel locks to actually grab a hold of it to turn it, but you can actually get it to turn and to pull out of there. Once you've got the shower drain assembly out, or the bathtub drain assembly out, you're going to need to get your snake, and you're going to need to pull your tip out of your snake right here. You're going to run it down inside your drain here. And you're just going to feed this snake until it goes down into your drain, and it's going to actually go down in there. And once you get it all the way in there, you're going to feel a blockage. It's not going to go any farther. Once you get it to that point, you want to lock your wing nut in place here on your snake. And once you've got that locked in place, you can actually twist this and actually turn it. And it'll actually break loose whatever you've got blocking your pipes in there. And that's the easiest way to unclog a bathtub without using Drain-O. If you have any more questions on this topic, you can reach me at jnchomerepair.com.